What are you doing?
What
kind of
art?
Tenjinyama. Actually I'm experimental music and also work in visual art, like sound art installation, and sometimes experimental film.
I started with photography and then film and music. And this is our kid.
His name Ramen-san. Ramen-san, how you from? Okay.
I understand. And next, what was your motivation to participate this AR program?
So my career as an artist is just very beginning. Arnont residency and work in art for a long time already, so he also encouraged me to go for residency.
The thing I interested in this residency at first I interested in the sledge because I actually in my character I really like to move, and then I interested in something is can move on snow, and then I interested in the sledge that can move, and then I feel I would like to see people here how they move on snow, and then I decide to propose for the sledge to research for sledge first. Ramen-san. Before we propose for the make some Dekochari, move on the snow and with sled. And when we went to school for around 3 weeks, and we didn't plan what is the look like of the Ramen-san, and we bought Ramen-san together with the student.
And second hand.
And something we correct from the people used already.
And also I have also go to film the student and the school, and it also because when we came and we accidentally know that the school will rebuild, and I want to capture and also want to communicate with the kids more, and the final work is like this.
Like I feel the Ramen-san just a tool, the tool to communicate with the kid and also the teacher and also the people they can come to visit. For me, the art piece we make it, that is just the tool. That is not the final result. The final result is how the people,
the feeling of the connection between us and the school and the students, the teachers.
Right.
Flexible, and we didn't plan too much about what will happen. Like at the beginning just open studio and play some instrument and some camera. The kids can come to play, and from that they bring the inspiration and idea to us.
And we see like very natural. People use the plastics to carry them kids to and sometimes carry something
Grocery shop.
Grocery shop, and then we interesting because we never see that.
Yeah, we from the country with no snow, so when we see that, we really got the inspiration.
Like the situation for me is so funny.
Yeah, like we not specifically go to somewhere. Just every day we go to random place. Even on the street, when we walk out from the studio, we see something can get inspiration.
The one thing we really like to use, something people use already. One thing I realized something like when people, the local people, they use something and then they throw away or sell on the second hand shop. And when we use that, it's, for me, it's really to them familiar with the object already. And then when we build the Ramen Sang, it's not like a UFO come to the city. Like people afraid, like that is for me the feeling. People familiar, something they see in their life already, and then really easy to attract them to come to communicate with the Ramen Sang. And
in another document, you also talk about the energy. I think it's a key word for you.
yeah.
Is it feeling or how to say vibration or
At first I interested in sound, and then when I into the sound more and more, I realized something like sound is part of the vibration. The vibration is from the thing is movement, and then the vibration from the thing is movement. Even the human or animal or something is machine. That is the vibration. It's all that is the energy. This program is the art in school, and we interesting the react of the kid when they come to see Ramen Sang, how they react, how they even like they come to do this every day. Look like repeat every day, but in every day sometimes I can analyze of the emotion of in each day. When they come to play together, sometimes very aggressive. Some group is too small sound. Even the young go to filming the talent of the student. How it was about.
Every day I go to the classes and on the hall, I can feel it's different. Also the floor, because the smaller kids, they stay downstairs, so the feeling is more like more crazy than the upper floor. And in each class, we eat the lunch with them every day. Even sometimes it's also the same grade, but each of them have the different energy. When we just enter the class, we can feel.
My personal interesting in the in public instrument, like people can catch up because before I also think about that, how to the people can come to play together in the one instrument. I call that I question about it. How can I make the public instrument? And then I try to make it the ramen song, and people come to like the kid and the teacher and the people come to play together, and actually that is make noise, but in meanwhile people can communicate beyond language, that by use noise, by use something, and then they have some feeling together.
まず今日始まるのはね、これから皆さんに私たち本町小学校ね、みんなを含めこの本町小学校を主役にした本町小学校の映画をこれから上映します。
We combine all the energy of them look into the snow. Because we cannot decide this is energy for what, but for me the energies can move to something else, depend on the what the energy is you hear, you can touch from that, and then our project just correct them energy and move into the snow, because snow is a bit cold and fizzy, like people sometimes struck, like we feel the feeling is like we struck, and we just would like to experimental try to bring the energy into some freezing. For me, it's also noise. Noise is a part of the energy. I'm also in a part of the experimental music. I also always makes noise, but I really believe in the noise from the people. They sometimes we didn't know we play noise together, like in Thai. In the temple, every temple in Thai they have instrument like a bell and some khong, some drum. It's always they allow people to make sound from drum, from the instrument in the temple. But I really like to sit in the temple and look at the people come to play instrument in the temple together. Even that is not music, but from in the Buddhist they believe that if you make the sound is very loud in the temple, in the heaven they will hear your voice, and then when people come together, say boom bang boom bang. For me, for me that is for me I think it's good energy for something of their mind, like compared with the ramen.
It's like I think also in the school, I don't know I'm wrong or not, but when I see one thing when they come to our studio in school, they usually like to make noise very loud and express themselves like very crazy. I don't know if that is because they are kids and they have a lot of energy, but when in the classroom or in the normal life they have to silence and calm. So we feel our project also help them to release something inside, some tension. So the noise is very good.
1, 2, 3.
In my personal, I also really like to listen people react and make noise, and sometimes I can feel some area they make noise together, but my feeling that noise is very good feeling. I don't know why when they make even they not intend to make noise. And I realized something like if they have the good energy and then reaction, even you walk on up to the stair, you generate the good energy from your reaction because the vibration is behind the physical. When the inside of you is make the good energy, every reaction, even you talk, even we cannot trust the language. I talk with you is very good, but inside is not good. But for me, I trust the energy or vibration from that. Then I find there's some energy of that. Maybe it's the personal of me.
Yes.
I really like to touch that. Oh, you didn't try the ramen. They didn't recommend.
Yeah.
Maybe
You remember?
next time.
You remember?